Hello everyone, I am Mr.Peck. This is my friend. Her name is Lily. Hi Lily.
Hello, Mr. Peck.
Lily, look at this picture. What can you see here?
I can see a girl. She's at a picnic. The girl is sitting under a tree. And she's going to eat. She has a blanket, a picnic basket, some plates, and a can. I like having picnics too. Ask me, Mr. Peck.
What is the girl eating?
She is eating a sandwich.
What is the girl's t-shirt?
It is pink.
What is hanging from the tree?
A tire is hanging from the tree.
What color is it?
It is black.
Is the blanket green or blue?
It is blue.
How many plates can you see?
I can see 2 plates.
What color are they?
One plate is yellow and the other is red.
Is there a straw in the drink?
Yes, there is.
What color is the picnic basket?
It is brown.
Does it have a handle?
Yes, it does.
Good job, Lily. See you later.